In today's world, oil is more than just a fuel. It's a cornerstone of modern manufacturing. From the plastics we use daily to the medicines that keep us healthy, oil plays a crucial role in countless products. Understanding oil's role in everyday products is essential, as it shapes our economy and impacts our daily lives. This video aims to engage you with fascinating insights and provoke thought about the implications of a world without oil. Oil is a key ingredient in the production of plastics, serving as the primary raw material for creating various synthetic polymers. These polymers are the building blocks of countless plastic products that we encounter in our daily lives. Common items such as water bottles, shopping bags, food containers, and packaging materials all rely on oil-derived plastics for their production. The convenience and versatility of plastic have made it a staple in numerous industries, from food and beverage to healthcare and consumer goods. However, the heavy dependence on plastic packaging has significant implications for these industries, particularly in terms of sustainability and environmental impact. As we continue to rely on oil for plastic production, it raises important questions about the future of packaging and the need for innovative alternatives. Understanding this connection is crucial as we navigate the challenges of reducing plastic waste and finding sustainable solutions. Fuels derived from oil, such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel, play a vital role in our daily lives, powering everything from our cars to airplanes. Gasoline is the most common fuel for personal vehicles, while diesel is essential for trucks and heavy machinery, enabling the transportation of goods across vast distances. Jet fuel, on the other hand, is crucial for the aviation industry, connecting people and places around the globe. The significance of these fuels extends beyond mere convenience. They are the backbone of the transportation and energy sectors, driving economic growth and facilitating trade. However, the reliance on oil-based fuels presents challenges, particularly in the face of climate change and the need for sustainable energy solutions. As we seek alternatives such as electric vehicles and biofuels, the transition requires innovation and investment to ensure a cleaner, more sustainable future while maintaining the efficiency and reliability we depend on. Oil derivatives are integral to many cosmetics and personal care products, enhancing their effectiveness and appeal. Items such as lotions, shampoos, and makeup often contain ingredients derived from oil, such as mineral oil and petroleum jelly. These oil-based components play a crucial role in achieving desirable textures, providing moisture and ensuring smooth application. Additionally, oil acts as a preservative, extending the shelf life of products and maintaining their quality over time. The beauty industry heavily relies on these oil-based formulations, and the absence of oil would significantly impact product development and consumer choices. Without oil, manufacturers would face challenges in creating effective alternatives that deliver the same results, potentially leading to a shift in product formulations and textures. This could also drive innovation in the search for sustainable and natural ingredients, reshaping the landscape of the beauty industry as we know it. Oil plays a pivotal role in the production of synthetic textiles, with fabrics like polyester and nylon being derived from petrochemicals. These materials are created through processes that involve the polymerization of oil-based compounds, resulting in durable and versatile fabrics that dominate the fashion and textile industries. The widespread use of synthetic fabrics has transformed clothing production, allowing for mass manufacturing and a vast array of styles and designs. However, this reliance on oil raises significant environmental concerns, as the production and disposal of synthetic textiles contribute to pollution and waste. The fashion industry faces increasing pressure to adopt sustainable practices, prompting a search for natural alternatives. Yet, sourcing these alternatives presents challenges, as natural fibers like cotton and linen often require more resources and time to produce. Balancing the demand for sustainable options with the efficiency and affordability of synthetic fabrics remains a critical issue for the future of the textile industry. Oil plays a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry, serving as a key component in the production of various medications. Many active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, are derived from petrochemicals, and oil is also used in the formulation of excipients, which are substances that aid in drug delivery and stability. For instance, oils are often utilized in capsules, ointments, and emulsions, enhancing the bioavailability of medications and ensuring they are effectively absorbed by the body. The potential health impacts of losing oil-based products could be significant, as it may lead to a shortage of essential medications and hinder the development of new treatments. Additionally, the absence of oil-derived components could compromise the efficacy and safety of existing drugs. Understanding the importance of oil in drug formulation and delivery is vital, as it underscores the need for innovative solutions and alternatives to ensure the continued availability of effective healthcare products in a changing world. Oil is integral to the production of various construction materials, with asphalt and certain types of insulation being prime examples. Asphalt, derived from petroleum, is essential for paving roads and roofing, providing durability and weather resistance. Additionally, oil-based insulation materials, such as polyurethane foam, offer excellent thermal performance, contributing to energy efficiency in buildings. The reliance on these oil-derived products has significant implications for infrastructure development, as they are crucial for creating safe and sustainable structures. However, the challenges in sourcing alternative materials are considerable. While there are eco-friendly options available, such as recycled materials and natural fibers, they often lack the performance characteristics of traditional oil-based products. Transitioning to these alternatives requires innovation, investment, and a re-evaluation of building standards. As the construction industry seeks to reduce its carbon footprint, finding viable substitutes for oil-based materials will be essential for sustainable development in the future. In this video, we've explored the extensive dependency on oil across various sectors, highlighting key products that would be significantly affected if we were to stop using oil. From plastics and fuels to cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and construction materials, the implications of losing oil are profound and far-reaching. As we face environmental challenges, it becomes increasingly important to explore sustainable alternatives that can replace these oil-derived products without compromising quality or functionality. Transitioning to greener options is not just a necessity for the planet, but also an opportunity for innovation and growth. If you found this discussion insightful, please subscribe, as this helps our channel grow. Thank you.